how soon do I even need to bring a case after a bicycle accident?
So there's a strictly legal answer, and then there's a practical answer to that. Assuming you're an adult and the case is being brought against a private individual or private entity, you have 2 years from the date of the accident to either settle your case or file a lawsuit. That's under the applicable what's called statute of limitations. If it's a minor child, then if the claim is against a private entity or a private person, the minor child has until the age of 20, which is until the age of majority, 18, and then 2 years from that date to file a lawsuit or settle the case. If the case is against a public entity, such as a county or a state or a city, then you have to file a claim within 6 months from the date of the accident, and then file a lawsuit within a prescribed period of time after the claim has been rejected, which it universally will be, by the governmental entity. So that's the strict statutory legal requirements for filing a claim. As far as actually bringing a claim, putting the other side on notice, the sooner you're able to do it, the better. You want the other side you want to find out if the other side has resources to pay. You want to find out if they have insurance. You want to find out if they're going to contest the claim so that you know what kind of evidence you need to marshal. Marshal evidence about how the accident happened, whether it was the fault of the driver or was a fault of some property owner, whether it's a fault of a bicycle shop or a bicycle repair shop. You need to get that evidence together and get the appropriate experts together, whether it might be an accident reconstruction expert or a bicycle repair expert or some kind of medical experts on your injuries and damages. So getting that assembled is something that is done best while the evidence is fresh. And then if it's something that takes a long time to develop, like how a serious injury might resolve, that can sometimes take a couple of years to even figure out how some injury might resolve or play out over the lifetime of the person, then that's fine. But you still need to start getting that evidence together as soon as possible. So setting aside the statutory time limits that the law requires, the sooner you start to put your case together and put the other side on notice and find out what their position is, the better off you are and the better off you'll be able to put your case together and assert your claim.